们登陆云和森林学校水墨项目的第3年。那从2015年开始，我们每一年都会在丹巴的乡村帮助村落修复一座水墨。那去年和前年，我们就在腊月山、腊月村修复了2座水墨。今年我们就在我们的任务就是在丹巴县的中路乡修复墨子沟3座破损水墨中的1座。
Yeah, hi, my name's Stuart Richardson. I'm an expedition leader with Outlook Expeditions. I'm from Scotland, and we've travelled all the way from China with the school from Aberdeen to come and do this project. I think as an expedition leader you've got to keep an eye out for all safety factors, slips, trips, falls, falling rocks, people lifting heavy equipment and rocks. So I think all the time you have to concentrate on the whole team, including the volunteers as well as my own team. We have to be aware that we are in a rural environment. I think part of the watermill and the whole project and what made this project very interesting for everyone was that it was using what we had round about us to come up with the ways of getting it working again. I think if we have too many modern things, then it's not the same project. I think it's nice to have bare minimum and just dealing with what we have.
The watermill project is something that's really inspiring. I think it's really great. It's amazing because that's like giving back to the community, and the community will live like I think they'll have a better life, like a better, easier way to like work, like to ground corns and any other grains, because doing that with just your bare hand is difficult, right? So I think if they'll be able to use the watermill in the future, that would be really helpful to the community. And I've heard about the watermill history before, how they all come together as a community and just like chit chat and make connections, build relationship together. So that's really good. It's a way of connecting the village as well as like providing them like a better resource to ground the grains.
I think we all just wanted to have an input into making something come back to life again. Like what made this culture, everyone was saying, was the watermills, and so when we found out about the project, that's when we all decided that we really wanted to help out and rekindle this community and everything. Bring back the